In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp to your WordPress website in 2025. We'll start inside Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account and make sure you already have an audience created because that's where your new subscribers will be stored. Once you're signed in, click your profile icon, then go to Account and Billing. From there, open Extras and choose API keys. Create a new API key and copy it because you'll need it in WordPress in a moment. Since this key connects your website to your Mailchimp account, keep it private and store it securely. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard using your administrator account. In the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and then Add New Plugin. Search for Mailchimp for WordPress, also known as MC4WP. When you find it, click Install Now, and after the installation finishes, click Activate. This plugin will handle the connection between WordPress and your Mailchimp audience. After activation, open Mailchimp for WP from your WordPress dashboard. Paste in the API key you copied from Mailchimp, then click Save Changes. If everything is set up correctly, WordPress should confirm that the connection was successful. Once connected, choose the Mailchimp audience where you want new subscribers to be added. This step is important if you manage more than one audience. Now it's time to build your subscription form. Go to Mailchimp for WP, then Forms, and create a new form. Add the fields you want to collect, such as first name, last name, and email address. Keep in mind that shorter forms often convert better, but use the fields that make sense for your email strategy. When you're done, save the form. To place the form on your website, you have a few built-in options. You can insert it using a shortcode on a page or post, add it as a widget in your sidebar, or place it as a block in the WordPress block editor. Choose the method that best fits your site layout. Once the form is added, customize the design so it matches your branding. You can adjust colors, button text, field labels, and the success message visitors see after subscribing. This helps the form feel like a natural part of your website instead of a separate tool. Before going live, test everything. Visit your website, submit a test email address, and then check Mailchimp to confirm that the subscriber appears in your selected audience. If you want better list quality and stronger email compliance, open your Mailchimp audience settings and enable double opt-in, then save your changes. You can also set up automations like a welcome email or a subscriber campaign to trigger automatically after someone signs up. Finally, keep an eye on subscriber activity in Mailchimp reports. Monitor new subscribers, open rates, click rates, and overall audience growth so you can measure how well your forms are performing.